So Motion's interface is based around two main windows: the file browser, where you look at all the source clips that you'll be using and all the other elements, as well as all the settings that you adjust, and the canvas window, or the project window. And this is where you really do the majority of your work. So just to begin, we're going to talk about the simple overall workflow and some of the details of these windows. I'm just going to go quickly drag a new object into our project here. I think I've got a comet. There we go. Drag that in there. And now I've got this video element. It's just a basic video element with a simulated comet on a black background. And I can position this to a different place in my canvas. I can move it off screen. If I do move it off screen, we can control our view here, zoom out so you can see the object in the area out there. You can control the different details of the object, its position, its scaling, a drop shadow and whatnot through the controls up here in the toolbar. Different things allow you to view it over here. This is to create new objects such as shapes, custom shapes, paint strokes, text objects, and so on. This clearly is for masks. And there are a bunch of additional controls over here. We're going to cover all these in more detail as we go forward. I'm actually just going to expand this window to be full screen here to show you there's some other useful controls down here at the right side of the toolbar. These hide and show the different other windows in the program. The HUD, heads up display, hides and shows this gray box over here, and this is where you'll be able to adjust the most common settings for whatever particular object is currently selected. And you'll see you'll get very used to using that in all different ways. The file browser, library, and inspector, these are shortcuts to bring up that window over here with the different tabs in front. And then there are two other windows that you can hide or show: the project tab and the timing tab. And these allow you to do a little bit different types of adjustments for your projects. And we're going to cover each of those in more detail as we go forward. At the bottom of the canvas window, you'll see that there is some playback controls. We can pause and start playback, go backwards and forwards in time, frame by frame. There's a record button, and you'll have a lot of fun playing with that very soon. And above that, you can see this little mini timeline that tells you what clip is currently active and shows you where in your sequence you are currently playing. A couple other small details down here in the lower left. There is the current frame indicator telling you what frame the playhead is currently parked on. And on the right side is the duration. And you can change your duration by adjusting that number.